I'm beautiful. I love it. I love it. Thank you.
There's nothing more in life than I want than to have my natural gum line and not deal with the clunkiness of a denture.
I wanted him to look the most natural as possible. I was like, I'm not going to do him if I have to remove him. So I didn't want anything denture-y. And I'm not going to do him if I can't have my real gums. I don't want that look.
I can only eat on one side of my mouth.
Found out that I had a gingivitis or whatever, or bone loss.
They kept finding cavities, they kept drilling, making the cavities bigger and bigger.
I just need to be able to chew and smile.
I had to lose all my teeth. They told me they weren't savable anymore.
I begged for dentures at 16.
I said, I have to go where they're going to do what I need them to do for me.
I am so fortunate I found 3-on-6.
Although the all-on-4 at the time to me was like, I couldn't wait to get it done. I was ecstatic about it. And then once I started doing the research and came across the posts with the, the sets of the implants, I knew that was what I needed to get done. That was it. There was nothing else stopping me. This is what I was doing.
When I saw the 3-on-6 and the difference in the patient's ability to floss and to brush and to keep these guys clean, and the healthy gums that we're seeing with the 3-on-6 procedure, it's truly amazing.
I was considering all-on-4, but I did not want to have the bulkiness of a snap-in denture, even that will be permanent, and I didn't want to have up along here the space where you can see the implants or the abutments. I also didn't want to have the feel of a denture. I wanted my own gums.
This is one of the advantages of the 3-on-6 is that you can see this is her own beautiful natural gum line with the teeth just coming right out of there. So this is going to be a lot easier for her to clean just here in those teeth. And yeah, they're beautiful, natural looking and natural feeling. Normally with an all-on-4, they would have chopped off all of this bone. And this would have all been a fake gum line up here.
I made an appointment and went in and met with Dr. Maxwell at the Smile Clinic, and the 3-on-6 just was like, that's exactly for me.
I love my new teeth. My new teeth are awesome.
It actually looks like my natural teeth, but better.
It's been night and day, just being able to feel confident enough to be able to interact, and smile, and just all the way from work to home. I couldn't have picked a better place, honestly.
From administrative and billing to the doctor himself, we're experts in their roles here. We're extraordinarily grateful for the experience that we've had here. We couldn't possibly get on our soapbox and more wholeheartedly or full-throatedly recommend Smile Clinic.
What I do for a living, I have to sell, and I've more than tripled my income since I've got these teeth.
Just to be able to look people in the face with confidence and not take the lower bid. I've actually made more money than this cost.
That's awesome.
They knocked me out, I woke up, and then the very next day after that, I went back to work.
It's amazing that I can chew and I can eat and I can smile.
And they'll have it. I'm beautiful. I love it. I love it. Thank you.
I've gone to other dentists and they didn't know that I had implants until I told them I had implants. It was a discovery. He said it was the best work he'd ever seen.
Even through the process of paying, everyone's very friendly. They're nice, they're patient.
And they're very gentle, and they let you know what's going on, and there's no surprises.
More self-esteem, more confidence, smile more, well worth every penny.
It was well worth it, and I'm really proud of my teeth.